Hi dear 7th standard children, welcome to your English class. Today let us study your second poem, that is Awareness, which is written by Sylvia Stultz. Dear children, what do you mean by the word awareness? Listen here, awareness means having knowledge about something. Okay, in this poem, poet describes all the things we have polluted as humans. And the message of this poem is we should stop polluting and raise awareness about our environment. Okay, we should stop polluting and raise awareness about our environment. Let us study the poem. I will read. You take pencil and underline the new words. Broken bottles and charred, underline the word charred. Pieces of glass. Weighted, underline the word weighted. Weighted up newspapers, tossed, underline the word tossed on the grass. Pouring of concrete and tearing, underline the word tearing out trees. This is the environment that surrounds me. All of you listen here. Here the poet wants us to be aware of the environment which we live in. Okay. And the poet is telling that we can see the broken bottles. Charred means half burnt glasses, pieces of glass, and bundled papers. Weighted means bundled, and all kinds of waste. Okay, the people throw unwanted things carelessly, which causes environmental pollution. So poet is asking the question, that is this the environment which surrounds me? Then second paragraph, poisons and insecticides, underline the word insecticides, which means chemical used to kill insects, sprayed on our food. Oceans filling with thick oil, crude, underline the word crude, which means not refined. All sea life destined to a slow awful doom, underline the word awful doom. These are the things we are to consume. Consume means, underline the word consume, which means to eat or to use. Here, poet is telling that poisons and insecticides. Insecticides means chemical used to kill insects. How? It will spray on crops. ಬೆಳೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹುಳ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಹುಳ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Here, what the poet is telling is that poisons and insecticides sprayed on our food. ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನೋ ಊಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ಸು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Oceans filling with thick oil, crude. Crude means not purified. ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು. ಓಷನ್ಸ್, ಸಮುದ್ರ. ಸೊ ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ crude oil. All sea life destined to a slow awful doom. Awful doom means great destruction, ನಾಶ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ. All sea life. Sea life means which includes plants, animals, okay, aquatic plants and animals. So here the poet is asking, we are eating this type of food. ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಫುಡ್ನ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Next, mills pumping out iron, expelling yellow fumes. Expelling, underline the word expelling, which means to send out, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೋದು. Airlines emitting caustic gases from fuels. Weapons of destruction tested at desolate sites, and this is the air that's to sustain life. Poet is saying that industries throw out the poisonous gases. Airlines emitting caustic gases from the fuels. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ವೆಪನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಡೆಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೆಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಹೊಗೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಗಾಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Okay, sustain means suffer. there has to be something that someone can do, like raise the awareness to those around you that if we don't heed, underline the word heed, which means ಗಮನಿಸೋದು, pay attention, the problem at hand, it's your life that's at stake. Stake means risk, underline the word stake, the destruction of man. Here the poet is saying that all people should be aware of these pollutions, overall environmental pollutions, okay, and we should take necessary action for this pollution, otherwise the whole of mankind may be destroyed in the future years. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ನ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೊಯೆಟು. ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಶ ಆಗೋದು. ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದೇ ಏರ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ ಏರ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಏರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವೇ ನಾಶ ಆಗೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.